for 3, how are you? Welcome to week number 11 of extra activities. So today we are going to review the difference between present simple and present continuous, okay? For the reading, you have to read one text and you have two options. You have to circle the correct one, okay? Like in the example, Bruce Lawrence is or is being a young actor. So he is a young actor because it is a fact. So we use present simple. Okay, then you have to decide in the other options which one you're going to choose. After that, we have writing. For the writing, you have to complete a dialogue with the verbs in brackets. Be careful because you have to decide between the verb tenses and you have to be careful to if the sentences are negative or affirmative, okay? After that, you have use of English and you're going to have the opportunity to review the difference between the two verb tenses. Let's remember quickly here. The present simple we usually use in 3 situations: habits, routine, and facts. Present continuous we usually use for something happening at the moment. But there are some verbs we don't use with the present continuous. And you have a list of them, some examples in your material. For example, like, we don't use the verb like with the present continuous. We don't use belong, we don't use agree. Think, the verb think, you can use with ing, like present continuous, but it has a different meaning. All right, so if I ask you, what are you thinking about? It's about your thoughts. What are your thoughts, okay, in general, not exactly what you're thinking at the moment, all right? After doing this, you have an exercise. You have to match the two columns. And finally, you have listening. Good to remember. The answer key is in the end of the material. You're not going to listen to check your answers, all right? And finally, the listening and speaking. You have to listen to Jack and his Swedish girlfriend, and they are going to talk about some places. You have to tick the places they talk about. And finally, you're going to listen again the conversation and complete with the verbs in brackets, okay? Nice to talk to you. Goodbye. See you.